In this video, we will demonstrate how to use an incredible tool to create AI-generated music in just a matter of seconds. Watch closely as we guide you through the entire process step by step, from selecting your music style to fine-tuning the final composition. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned musician, this tool makes it easy to bring your musical ideas to life effortlessly. Stay tuned and let's dive into the world of AI music creation together. In this extended section, we'll dive deeper into how AI can generate music in seconds, showcasing some examples and explaining the underlying technology. First, let's listen to a few more samples created by this amazing tool. As you can hear, the possibilities are virtually endless, spanning genres from classical to pop, and even experimental electronic music. So how does it work? Essentially, the AI uses a combination of deep learning algorithms and a vast database of musical patterns. By analyzing this data, the AI can understand the structure and elements that make up different genres and styles of music. This allows it to generate new compositions that are both unique and musically coherent. Moreover, the tool offers customization options where you can tweak various parameters like tempo, key, and instrumentation to match your creative vision. One of the most fascinating aspects is how the AI can adapt to your input. For instance, you can provide a short melody or even a few chords, and the AI will build upon that foundation to create a full-fledged composition. It's like having a virtual collaborator who never runs out of ideas. Stay tuned as we continue to explore more features and tips to get the most out of your AI music creation experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting content.